Top 6. Best Jigsaws. If you're looking for the best jigsaws, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 6. Bosch JS470E Jigsaw, best overall.
These are the Bosch JS470E and JS470EB jigsaws. The JS470E has a top handle, and the JS470EB has a barrel grip for even better control. These tools provide power, durability, and precision for any woodworking professional. A 7-amp motor helps you power through wood, aluminum, even mild steel. The no-load SPM ranges from 500 up to 3100 and has up to 60 Hertz. Constant response circuitry ensures that the desired speed is maintained when under load, so you never have to worry about inconsistencies in performance or precision. Simply adjust between 4 different orbital action settings to find the right blade stroke for both smooth and aggressive cuts. You can also bevel up to 45 degrees. Both jigsaws features a toolless blade ejection lever, so you don't have to touch a hot blade when it's time to change, and they're both equipped with a non-marring plastic overshoe that protects finer surfaces. An anti-splinter insert fits either into the overshoe or directly into the footplate. The ambidextrous lock-on allows you for long and steady cuts without compromising comfort. Internal precision control within the plunge system is designed to keep vibration low and enhance accuracy for extremely smooth operation. So, these are the Bosch JS470E and JS470EB top handle and barrel grip jigsaw. For more information on these tools, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch woodworking tools.
Number 5. Black Plus Decker Bedges 600C Jigsaw, best value. Number 4. DeWalt DCS 331B Jigsaw, best cordless. For all of your cordless fans out there, hopefully, we didn't keep you waiting too long. The third choice on our list is the DeWalt DCS 331B Jigsaw, which is the best cordless jigsaw of 2020. DeWalt knows what they are doing when it comes to cordless tools. This jigsaw is no exception. The DS331B comes with 4-position orbital action and no annoying cord to block your work. Cordless jigsaws make the task at hand much more accessible, but they generally lack some power. Capable of 3000 SPM, the cordless DeWalt offers as much blade speed and cutting power as the corded version. In fact, there was really one complaint we had about this unit. Number 3. Makita JV0600K Jigsaw.
Contractors and woodworkers wanted a powerful and compact jigsaw with less vibration, so Makita answered with a 6.5-amp top-handle jigsaw. The JB0600K delivers power and performance with less vibration in a more compact size. It has a powerful 6.5-amp motor, engineered to provide accurate cuts in a variety of materials, with a variable speed control dial to match the speed to the application, and a counterbalance system engineered inside the tool for less vibration. The saw has a well-balanced design that weighs only 5.2 pounds, with an ergonomic rubberized soft grip and 2-finger trigger for increased comfort. Additional features include a convenient toolless blade change and a dust port for optimal dust management.
Number 2. Festool 561608 Jigsaw Premium Choice.
My name is Zachary Knapp. I'm a general contractor. Our company is Holland & Knapp Construction. Today I was using the new Carvex Jigsaw. It comes with the multitude of base plates, which are really useful for when you need a base plate that won't mar the surface. Another thing is it has a new angle base that lets you cut miters The Jigsaw cuts very true and square. I practiced cutting some rafters for a sustained grade finished porch, everything exposed and all the joints need to be really tight. Before, had I had a standard jigsaw and I needed to cut a bird's mouth, I would take a skill saw first and then finish it up with a jigsaw. And I was found that with the Carvex, it cuts true and square enough that I could do that without using the skill saw and just use one tool for the job. I think that Festool makes tools only for professionals. If you care about the work that you do, the quality of the work that you do, and the process in which you get from point A to point B on a job, then I think Festool is the right tool for you.
Number 1. Bosch JS260 Jigsaw.
Bosch is the acknowledged worldwide leader in jigsaw technology, and the powerful 6.0 amp top handle Bosch JS260 Jigsaw is another example. The Bosch JS260 Jigsaw features a heavy gauge steel footplate that can withstand tough cutting applications, and a precision machined plunging mechanism and low vibration design for enhanced accuracy and smooth operation. The variable speed control includes a dial on the trigger of the tool that sets maximum speed, and an accelerator trigger controls operating speed. The Bosch exclusive multi-directional blade clamp provides superior grip of T-shank blades, while a toolless blade change system delivers fast blade insertion. The blade ejection lever eliminates the need to touch a hot blade. 4 orbital action settings provide different blade strokes for smooth to aggressive cuts, and an always-on dust blower keeps the cutting line clear. An ergonomic top handle and 2-finger trigger provide a versatile, comfortable grip. An easy access lock-on button is great for steady long cuts, user comfort, and control. The Bosch JS260 is a powerful, versatile jigsaw with an ergonomic top handle design. So this is the Bosch JS260 6.0 amp top handle jigsaw. For more information, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch jigsaws.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.